It's a brand new month, and that means a brand new Happy Mail subscription box. This month we are still working with Christmas. This one is called Visions of Sugarplums, and you can see it's kind of Christmas candy themed. So we're going to be working with some beautiful specialty reds, pinks, some specialty white. We've got some champagne, gingerbread brown, green, lots of beautiful papers in this month's kit. So let's go ahead and walk through exactly what's included in this kit. Every Happy Mail box starts off with a pretty encore color palette. This month we have All American Red, Rosy Cheeks, Mocha, and Parsley for our main color scheme. Lots of pretty Christmas colors. Next we have some specialty reds. This is Glitter Luxe Vampire Red, and it's that really deep red sparkle. Then we have one of my favorite papers in the entire shop, our glitter mirror foil in red. Now this is a totally smooth paper, and the glitter is actually just printed on. So it's a foil paper with a printed glitter. So there's actually no glitter mess whatsoever because it's not real glitter, but you get that really cool high shine. So that is glitter mirror foil in red. We have Echo Park, a candy cane stripe. We have another Glitter Luxe. This is opal white, and we chose this because it just pretty much looks like sugar dusted things. So that'll be fun for our candy theme. We have Encore white wood grain. Let's see if I can catch the light. This is embossed with a wood grain pattern. So it's a basic white with that cool texture. Then we have a Coordinations Couture paper, which is white with, it looks like it's actually sprayed with glitter. So rather than being like pearlescent with a mica finish, this one has like a glitter spray on it. Next we have Cereal Pearl Ice White. This is a pearlescent white. This one is 111 pounds, so it's a thicker offering than our normal Cereal Pearl, but it's got that cool pearlescent shine. We have My Color Sandpaper, another pearlescent paper. This one kind of looks like sugar cookies with that sugary frosted finish. We have a No Shed Wow glitter paper. This color is Champagne. Again, just a really pretty neutral. This is our new Encore Dazzle line. It's a pearlescent smooth shimmery green, and the color on this is Enchanted Forest. Then we have Silver Stippled Foil. So this is a silver foil that's matte, but it's kind of hard to catch the texture, but it has kind of a stippled embossed texture to it. And then last but not least, we have Pop Tone Black Licorice, a smooth black cardstock. Again, another great neutral. So that is everything that's included in the main kit this month. Our mystery items this month, we've got 3 sheets of 12 by 12 cardstock, and then I guess you'd call it an embellishment. So that is what your mystery items are. And several of these papers would be really cute for Santa's suit, just saying. So you won't know what's inside the mystery items until it arrives on your doorstep, but they're really fun and you're gonna love them. Our project this month are 3 adorable Christmas treat boxes. They're little houses. That class is free with your subscription kit, and it's a video tutorial and files. So there you have it. This is Visions of Sugarplums. It's available now in the shop. Remember, you can subscribe for as little as 1 month or up to 6 months and beyond. And your price changes. You get a better deal the longer you subscribe, but you absolutely can just treat yourself to 1 month and then cancel after that 1 month is over. Each kit does include free US shipping, that free bonus class we talked about, the mystery items, and a perfectly curated, coordinated box of cardstock for you to create with.